Over 70% of people will experience at least one traumatic event in their lifetime. Because trauma is not an uncommon part of the human experience, it is important that we understand what it is and how we can cope with it. So what is trauma? Trauma is defined as a lasting emotional response that often results from experiencing a distressing event. Some signs of trauma include experiencing intense fear, nightmares, struggling to concentrate, avoiding locations or activities that bring up memories of the event, and isolating yourself from others. The most important thing to remember if you experience trauma is that it is not your fault. You did not cause the terrible thing that happened to you, and you did not deserve it. It is not your fault. An important step in the process of working through your trauma and moving forward is changing the narrative. This means that instead of seeing yourself as a victim, you see yourself as a survivor. You get to take back control of your life and your body, and you get to feel safe again, because that is what you deserve. There are many strategies you can use throughout the healing process to bring yourself back to the present moment and feel safer. Here are 2 quick and easy techniques to cope with trauma and give you greater control over your mind and body. The first is the gentle hand technique. In this strategy, you first use mindfulness to scan your body to find the area where you are feeling the most fear. Next, place a gentle hand on that area and focus your mind on your hand. Continue to do this for a few moments and allow the fear to slowly leave your body. The second strategy is grounding, in which you use your senses to return to the present moment when feeling afraid or anxious. Some examples include counting the number of yellow objects in the room or taking a mental note of the different sounds you are hearing. You can focus on one, a few, or all of your senses in this exercise as you work to step away from reminders of the past and to show yourself that you are safe. Because trauma can be a lot to handle, no one should have to work through it alone. Even mountain climbers know that you need a buddy to climb a difficult peak. So you can talk to a trusted family member or friend, or a mental health professional who will provide you with support and guidance throughout the healing process. And finally, as you continue to work through your trauma towards achieving greater happiness and stability in your life, remember that what happened does not define you and that this too will pass.